I picked up this here steamer basket made by Packism, and I want to review it and tell you why I like this thing so much. Don't go anywhere. This coming up right now. Good to see you back again. So I picked up this trivet steamer basket, but mainly egg steamer basket. So I want to do a quick review on these. These things are amazing. Yes, amazing. So let me show you how to use this thing. We're gonna take our eggs, and we're gonna start with the bottom one first, which is this one here. Gonna put eggs around it. So if you're still boiling eggs on the stove, you really should cook your eggs in this here InstaPot, because it only takes 5 minutes. So we're gonna take this, pick it up like such. We're gonna put it in the bottom. So as you can see, I'm cooking 1.5 dozen. I'm gonna sit this right on top. It just sits in there perfectly. We're gonna add some water. Now you only need 1 cup of water. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in. Set our timer to manual. I'm gonna bring that down to 5 minutes. Don't go anywhere. We're gonna let this baby do his job. And that is cook me some eggs. So the eggs are done cooking. We're going to do a quick release and then immediately put our eggs in cold water. Let's go ahead and move this over to the sink so we can put cold water in it. So this got to sit in the ice bath water or cold water for 5 minutes. So now we're gonna do the ultimate test. See how easy it is to peel. But look how beautiful this basket is though. I mean, amazing, it comes apart. This also serves as a steaming basket. Maybe you wanna lay veggies across it, you can. This thing has multiple uses. I mean, I can't explain how good of a quality this thing is. This definitely is durable. It definitely is worth its money. I'll also have a link in the description for you to go take a look at it on Amazon. Look at that. Look at how easy that is to peel. Look. I mean, it just comes right off. Look at that. I mean, it in seconds. Look at that. Here we go, taste test. Yep, that's a good boiled egg.